Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through Claude Code versus Codex. So, what should you choose? Let's just find that out in today's video. So, first of all, let's start with Claude Code. So, this is Anthropic's AI model that is designed for developers. It is conversational, easy to guide with natural language, and it works great for explaining the errors, reviewing the large code base, and brainstorming the solutions. Now, Claude's biggest strength here is its large context window, which means it can read and reason through the huge files and even multiple projects at once. Now, if we talk about Codex, which powers tools like GitHub Copilot, Codex is built directly on top of GPT technology and specializes in code generation. It is trained heavily on the open source respiratories, so it can autocomplete the code such as the functions and handle the multiple programming languages with ease. It shines when you are writing the code line by line inside an IDE and want quick, smart completions. So, what's the difference? You must be wondering. Claude Code is more like a thinking partner. It explains, it reasons, and helps you understand what is happening in your code. Whereas Codex is coding accelerator. It fills in code as you type and makes the development faster. So if you want detailed explanations and big picture reasoning, Claude Code is the better choice. If you are focused on raw speed and practical code generation, Codex is the way to go. In short, Claude Code helps you to learn and reason, while Codex helps you to produce code quickly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.